In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Runway AI on mobile. As you can see, I have the interface right in front of me. And first, you're going to be simply typing for Runway on your mobile. You can see we have various options in here, the Gen 4 and everything. So this is going to be helping you to generate the best. So you can see you can make a photo, add for my sneaker brand, and click on send. It is going to be generating us that, and we do have 75 credits, so make sure to use them wisely. But you can also switch your account for better and more results. So this is how you can use it on your mobile. It is available. You can see how easily I am using it, and super nice. So you can see the generation is done, request received, and it is generating the advertisement image. It is basically an ad photo for my sneaker brand. You can see how good this looks with description and everything. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching.